Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this super quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a shared playlist inside the Spotify app. If you find this video useful, please like this video and sub to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to it. All right, I'm going to open up the Spotify app on my mobile device. This works for both iOS and Android device users. And now from here, I'm going to click on your library, bottom right hand corner. And then once you're inside your library, there's a little plus icon here. So go ahead and click onto that. And now I'm going to click on build a playlist of songs or episodes. So I'm going to click on that one. And now I'm going to give this playlist a name. So from here, I'm going to call this shared playlist. And now I'm going to click on create. And now what I want to do is put in some songs here. So click on add to playlist. And now I'm just going to put in a random song here. I'm going to go back for demonstration purposes. All right, so fill this up with your shared playlist. And now to invite people, what you need to do is click on the little user icon with the plus next to the icon. And now you can share this playlist with your Snapchat, Messenger, Facebook post, Instagram messages, or you can copy the link and send that link directly to the person using a different platform. And then they can accept your invite and you can both share your songs and music inside that shared playlist you just created.